and a pleasure for me to be invited by the Chief Minister of टेरینगانو state. It is an honor and a pleasure for me to be invited by the Chief Minister of टेरینगانو state.
For about 30 minutes, and then we will. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome with a big round of applause to Dr. ذاکر. Please welcome.
In the World Cup, they were strong. They sought with the head down to the principles. And they said, we cannot change our belief, a culture for 1 month, just because we are holding the World Cup, the FIFA World Cup. And they stuck to it. And they thought with that, they said, what you believe in your country is fine. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره that Allah sent the messenger with guidance and the religion of truth, so that it will over all the religions, all the ways, however much the Muslims don't like it, however much the idol-worshippers don't like it. And Allah says in one place, وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا, and enough is Allah as a witness. وَآخِرُ دَعْوَانَا الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ.
Assalamualaikum. What is the best approach or uslub to convince the Muslim that to certain aspect and to certain extent restricted the Muslim to exercise their religious duty?
The federal constitution restricts the Muslim to do certain duties of Islam in the country. Brother, I disagree with you. According to me, amongst all the democratic Muslim countries in the world, I say Malaysia is the best democratic Muslim country in the world.
What is the best approach that you may suggest to deal with LGBTQ a problem as their human rights are getting preference, our freedom of speech?
I tell the homosexual all the things that I have knowledge as a medical doctor. What is good, what is bad for him. So while doing this, like when I'm treating a patient who's an alcoholic or has diabetes or has some illness, so I as a doctor, I want to be friends with these to get him closer to the right track. that what is good for him for this dunya and what is good for him in the akhirah.
Like salt bean.
Salt bean. What's salt bean?
Not for